Hey everyone, this video is about how to remove the background of images using Adobe Photoshop. Okay, first thing first. Luckily, you don't need any internet connection to use the Adobe Photoshop because it's an offline software. Okay, let's see how to do this. First, open Photoshop, create new document, or drag and drop a file like this. Then using the slider to move right, left and up and down. Then press and hold Ctrl plus Alt. Then use mouse scroll button to zoom in and zoom out the image like this. Then click this arrow to arrange the tools in a single column like this. Always our default cursor was Move tool, so click this. And here on Photoshop there are lots of ways to remove background of images like laser tool, polygonal laser tool, magnetic laser tool, but we are not going to use that. Instead, we have to use this best and easiest pen tool. Click here and choose pen tool. Adjust the image to your wish. Then if you click left mouse click, it selects the portion like this. And if you mistakenly select any region means press Ctrl plus Z once. Then the last selection was deselected. Now select the correct portion. And if curved area means place the dot nearby like this. And also press and hold tab and use left mouse click to move within the image like this. On air part, you don't need to worry about that. Roughly cut the image because we are going to use the stroke effect that will hide our mistakes. Then here is the final touch. Place the cursor over the first dot. Then you will see this round icon. Click that. Then you can see all the dots are selected. Then go to here and press this camera-like icon. Then once again press that icon. Now you will see the background removed on the image. It's called vector mask. Then click Move tool now, then the selected dot was removed. Yeah, you successfully removed the image background. Now you will freely move this image to anywhere, and you can also save this image. Now I am going to move this image to my thumbnail. For that, select Move tool and press left mouse click and move the image to your desired file, then drop the image. Then press Ctrl plus T to resize the image. And again press and hold Ctrl plus Alt, then use left mouse click to zoom out the image. And then press and hold Alt and resize the image like this. Then adjust the size like this. Then double click this empty space. And here we are going to add the stroke effect. Click stroke and change the color here. And also adjust the stroke thickness. Then click OK. And you can also change the stroke color to your taste. And finally, to save this project, go to File and click Save As. and choose the path and type the name and click Save. OK. Now the project PST file was saved. Now we are going to save the image. Again go to File and you can save here, or click Export and click Export as Format JPG, Quality Great. If you want to change the size means, here also you can change that. Then choose Path and Name and click Save. Now you can see the file was saved to the File Explorer successfully. Likewise, you can remove the background of any difficult images by using Photoshop. That's it.